Eric here, back again with one house review. Second property of the day. All right, this one's out in East Bethel on about an acre and a half, 325,000, 3-bed, 2-bath. It's built in 1958, about 2,100 square feet. So let's see what this one has to bring. All right, starting off at the front entryway. Goes directly in the living room with the fireplace. Second fireplace over there. Let's go down here first. Enter the hall into a bathroom that looks like it hasn't been updated in quite a while. First bedroom. It is on a little bit busier road up front. It's not going to help with the rating. Floors are all right. Kind of wish they would have painted ahead of time, but a lot of these properties don't have that. More stuff for the new buyers to do. All right, well, let's go on here first. Old creepy piano. Wonder if this is asbestos tile. House is built in 58, so it's a little older. Windows are a little rough. You see a little rot there. All right. Kind of a weird layout. This is the kitchen. Does have a couple skylights. Nothing really updated. Skylight's a little rough too. Most of those are. Looks like it's a newer fridge. Probably had to replace that. It's the door right outside the kitchen. Looks like they're using it for some sort of a dog run. But it is covered. It is fenced. Pretty decent sized area here. It wouldn't be a bad area to hang out in. Little bay window there. Laundry area around this corner. So there is 3 bedrooms on one level. This is shared laundry, bath. It's like a little office desk or something back here. A little odd. I'm not going to spend a ton of time down in the basement because once again, it looks like there might have been something going on with the water down here. And I don't necessarily trust these tiles. Some of the lights don't work back here, but it is what it is. It's your water heater. It's like an old roughing for a bathroom there. Creepy crawl space. We're going to stay out of there. This isn't Ghost Hunters. This is one house review. Everyone knows the rules. There's some bunch of old potatoes. All right. You can kind of smell the dampness down here a little bit. Like I said, I don't necessarily trust this tile. And back here's the furnace. That's everything. All right, catch you at the review. All right, review time. Here's the conclusion. One house, everyone knows the rules. This review system is based on One Bite Pizza's Dave Portnoy's review scale. So 10's almost impossible. It is impossible to get. and so is it 1. If it's in the 9s, it is, in my personal opinion, the primo house. Now listen, all these reviews are my personal opinion only, based on the other houses I've gone through. If you see something, like in your neighborhood, for example, this house would be way worse or way better based on the price point, then leave it in the comments. All right, for this house, it's gonna be a 6-1. Only bumped up a little bit because of the price. Not many updates, busier road, etc., etc. Please give me a like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next review.